So guys, finally with God's grace, we have reached a place. We actually don't even know the name of it. So guys, currently we are at Manikaran, and the situation is as such that there is no bus. The buses are getting cancelled because of the weather. So we are trying to figure out a way, and we have met two friends over here. They are from Rajasthan. तो आपका नाम क्या है? Kuldeep. Kuldeep and Kuldeep. Both are Kuldeep. Okay, so we have Kuldeep brothers over here, and they just subscribed to my channel. So thank you guys. Thank you so much.
You have to subscribe.
Yeah, please. So we are trying to figure out, and if not, we'll try to take a taxi or something. So let's see. So keep watching, and we'll keep you posted.
A few moments later.
So finally the bus has come after a long wait, and there's a lot of crowd getting in. Yes guys, so we have reached, this is Barseni, and the weather is terrible. It's already -1 degree, and we are not able to speak properly. And I'll show you, entire Kheer is in snow because there was snowing yesterday, and there's snow predicted today as well. So everything is very cold. So we are trying to find out how to go. If you can see, I'm breathing very heavy. So the best month to trek over here is April and May. That's the peak season. So in case you guys are here, come on in April and May. And if you want more adventure like us and you want to screw yourself, please come in April when it's snowing. But yeah, no complaints. We are going to enjoy. So now the exciting scenes are coming for you guys. Okay, so we are almost reached the starting point. Starting point mein you will see a yellow crane which is there for a long time. So I've seen it in many vlogs, and I'll just show you this place.
This gate is an actual checkpoint.
Okay,
Start.
correct. So as Kevin is saying, this is a crane and there's a gate which is an actual checkpoint. So Kevin, where we have to go?
So this side.
This side.
This side.
Okay, perfect. Another mistake which we made is we missed the buses. Buses were cancelled and we started late. तो मेरा सजेशन ये रहेगा कि आप लेट चालू नहीं कीजिए ट्रैक, अदर यू हाई पॉसिबिलिटी यू कैन गेट स्टक. यू आर रेडी फॉर एवरीथिंग टुडे. Kevin is prepared, so let's see. We're already tired. So guys, unfortunately we lost 15-20 minutes going to a wrong direction here, but it's actually from this place we have to take down. You will see a Oyo board from there. Just go down, and that's the route to Kheer. And there's the board as well for Bhatti Hydroelectric. So we have to take this bridge in order to go to Kheer. So do not miss this bridge, Parvati River. And to my behind is Kheer. Amazing. So there are these markers to help you to go towards Kheer. So always follow that. It's on top.
You're walking fast.
Way to Kheer. The pit stop, spot on. It's very difficult to find the ways over here, guys. So please ask before you move. Just like 30 minutes into the trek, we're already tired and we have a long way to go back. We have a guide as well. He's camera shy. Okay, let's go. Can't even imagine. It's so tough who doesn't do trekking, and you're gasping for air and not dehydrated. We have water.
Panting for breath.
Panting for breath, and Kevin's leg is also paining left. few more hours. I don't know how many more
we have
hours.
to just follow these boards.
And it shows Khirganga is down, so we are going from here. Our wolf will lead the way for us. Long way to go up. Tired. We have reached this beautiful village on the way to Khirganga. We do not know the name of the village, but it's this village over here is known as Nakthan, and this is en route Khirganga trek. Can pick up some maza chocolates, but do not put the waste. Carry it in your bag. Please be conservative about the environment over here. Do not destroy it. So after 3.5 hours, we have reached the midway. So that's why it's known as midway camping. So around 3 more hours to go. So far, been a tough trek. Terrain is mucky, and now after 2 kilometers from here, we would get snow, which will be more dangerous. Behind is a waterfall, and if you slip from here, you go directly down. So be very careful at this point. बहुत समय पे चलना है, यहाँ पे कोई घाई नहीं करना है, आराम से लेफ्ट पकड़ के आना है और जूते भी संभालना है अपना. You have come from here? Little ahead of halfway. And I can spot a village ahead, small village. और यहाँ पे कंक्रीट रोड भी है थोड़ा, तो थोड़ा अच्छा लगेगा. So moving forward, yes, moving forward. Chalo, let's see what lies ahead. This is a dharamshala situated right on top, on the midway. Just bang opposite this amazing waterfall. And if you see this bridge, you're on the right way. Way forward we'll get snow. You already see a traces of snow. So देख के चलिए, आराम से चलिए. अगर आप मार्च में आ रहे हो तो you will get snow. स्नो रीजन चालू हो गया है. सो देयर वाज स्नोफॉल yesterday itself over here, and now we are approaching the snow. You have to be very careful. See behind me, I don't know, that's the snow. It will be on the trail as well, so be careful.
1 hour later.
We are kind of lost. The thing is that the sun is going down very fast, and there's no one to help around. We don't know where we are. Just taking my intuition and going through. There's a fence which is going, so hopefully it should reach there. We don't know how far we are. Just hoping someone might come through and we can see some habitation. Chalo, we'll survive. Obviously we have to survive.
Two hours later.
we have decided to head back because we do not know the trail. There's no one here to help. So we are just going to trek back down quickly to maybe towards Rudranag and then stay over there today. So we are hurrying up. Chalo, see ya.
6.5 hours later.
Kheer Ganga trek has turned out to be a nightmare. We lost our track. We are going down. So as per what my expertise says, I've seen man versus wild. So whenever a river is flowing downwards, so you will follow the river. So we are following the river downwards. And also we know there's a hydroelectricity plant. So if we trek downwards, I'm sure we're going to reach there. But we have no path ahead of us to which we are stuck. And Kevin is really slow and nervous as well. So to manage him as well. And just see the ahead, we don't know where to go now.
12 o'clock midnight.
We are lost. Oh God.
3:28 a.m.
So guys, finally with God's grace, we have reached a place. We actually don't even know the name of this place. One of the villager, we asked him to give the room. He said no because they don't.
Midway, right? It was midway.
Some midway. And we got this tents which we'll show it to in the morning. We are stressed and we are getting dinner. And it's raining. Oh God. Can't explain what's with us today. So look, God's grace, we are safe. Energy is still there to keep vlogging. So we'll keep you posted, guys. Okay, देखते रहिए vlog. दिखते कल सुबह क्या होता है.
A few moments later.
Good evening, friends. We just had our dinner. It was a lovely buffet. We're currently staying at Kheer Ganga Trek. It's a camping place basically where you can stay. We got a good offer. We'll let you know about it tomorrow. Somehow we managed the night. By luck, we reached this place and we got the accommodation. We bargained for a deal and we got it. So tomorrow in details we'll let you know what happened and why we couldn't
Do's and
vlog.
don'ts. And obviously we'll be sharing the do's and don'ts, right?
Yes, we will.
Okay. Chalo, good night, guys.
Good night, guys.
Day 2.
Good morning, guys. So we have survived the night, and this night was survived in this beautiful tent behind. And the scenery just opposite is very beautiful. So आप लोगों को पता ही है कि कल हम लोग घूम गए थे, and it was a very tense moment. The best thing was we did not panic, and there was a team effort between me and myself and Kevin. So first and foremost, you might have seen many vlogs which speaks good about Kheer Ganga, but no one talks about the dangerous situation which you can put in yourself while trekking to Kheer Ganga. So we have experienced this, and so I would like to share this experience with you, and even Kevin would agree to it. And so yes, when you're coming to Kheer Ganga, if you are novice in trekking, and even if you're an expert in trekking, but if you do not know this terrain, please take a guide. The guide will charge you 2,000 rupees, including your accommodation, including your food and everything in Kheer Ganga. He will take you on top and he will get you down as well safely. And if you need the contact, we'll share the contact with you in the comments in the description below. And so this is very important. And second, so see Kevin's hand, that's the Kheer Ganga, and if you see that slope, if you just climb that slope, and that's Kheer Ganga, and we were very close to it. In fact, we overshot it by 2.5 hours, so that's about it. So guys, adventure seekers like us, please be careful, please follow instructions, and we did not follow instructions. We thought we will do it, and we undermined the jungles and the Kheer Ganga trek. For you guys, simple solution is follow the guidelines, take a guide, and do not think that you will be able to do it, and do not be overconfident like us. But yeah, luckily we are safe. So guys, ending the Kheer Ganga vlog here. So if you liked it, if you have got some information, please do like, share and subscribe, and also please comment. So until next time, see ya from Social Bikers. Bye.